all, I am from Hotwix Media team, and in this video we'll be covering how to update the content of a product through content management system. I'm on the login page of the Bino CMS, which is a content management system for EasyRP. I'm logging as a content manager here. My tenant ID is demo client. This is the landing page of the CMS application. A content manager can perform various operations like managing and updating homepage, product pages, category pages, static pages, maintenance page, emails, configurations of the website, and website associations. In this video, we'll be focusing on the updation of the product content. So I'll select the menu item product pages here. The storefront on which we'll be verifying the reflections will be this one. I'm selecting bottoms category and we'll be updating the content of blue jeans product. Going back to the CMS, the products are listed here. Also, we can search the product from here in case the number of products are more. I'm selecting the edit option. This is the main page where the content manager can update and manage the features and characteristics of a product like SEO settings, product summary, description and images. For quick navigation, a scroll spy has been provided. Now moving on to the SEO settings section, the first field is URL. Before we make any changes to the URL, let's see what is the present URL present on front store. I'm selecting blue jeans. This is the URL for the product and this is same as what is currently present in the URL field. Now I'm changing the URL field here. Going back to the front store, refreshing the page. As you can see, the URL has been updated. Similarly, the title, keywords and description fields can be updated by the content manager and they will be used for the result optimization of the search engines. Going to the next section, product summary. This section provides a brief introduction about the product in the category page itself. Before I make any changes here, let's go back to our front store. I'm going to the bottoms category. This is bottoms category page and here we are expecting the product summary to be displayed. Let me add a product summary here. Going back to the storefront and verifying the changes. As here you can see, the summary has been updated and all the changes are on the fly. So CMS is a very flexible tool for a content manager to reflect the changes on the fly on the storefront. This is the images section. This is also a very important section where the image management of the product can be done easily. Here the content manager can add, make it as a main or delete an image. Also we can add an image alternative text which is very useful for the Google search optimization. The system also provides flexibility to the content manager to enable the product for A/B testing. So from the single page, a content manager can manage and update all the features and characteristics of a product. Thank you.